Understanding the phrase, parrot speak. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, parrot speak. This phrase might sound a bit unusual, but it's a great example of how English can be both descriptive and imaginative. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. First, let's break down the phrase, parrot speak, literally. A parrot is a colorful bird known for its ability to mimic sounds and words. The most distinctive feature of a parrot is its beak, curved, strong, and often quite sharp. So, when we talk about a parrot's beak, we're referring to this specific, curved shape. In English, the phrase, parrot's beak, is used metaphorically. It can describe anything that resembles the curved shape of a parrot's beak. For instance, a type of tool, a geographical feature, or even a hairstyle could be likened to a parrot's beak if it shares that distinctive curved shape. This kind of descriptive language makes English vibrant and visual. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. Geographical context. The river curved like a parrot's beak near the valley. 2. Fashion context. Her hairstyle had a unique twist at the front, resembling a parrot's beak. 3. Everyday objects. The new can opener has a part that looks just like a parrot's beak. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be in different contexts. And that's a wrap on the phrase, parrot speak. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this interesting phrase and how it's used in English. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the images and ideas they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.